Lovely stitch. Really nice tension. Stitch is adjustable as well on this one, stitch length. So it did through 2 layers, also did through 3 layers. This is a faux leather with a fabric, like a knit back, but it went through there, no problem whatsoever. Really easy. So this is a little fiddle base from Singer. In nice condition for its age. Decals are very pretty.
All original.
You can hear him muttering in the background, can't you? All original, he says. Lovely machine. 1890 something. I haven't checked the serial number, but lovely. Sews beautifully.